What's up, everybody? Rem from Death Note. So this is a Patreon request from Pluto Fatty. Pluto Fatty? Pluto for short. Thanks for the request, Pluto. Thanks for the patronage. Let's go. Landscape page, use a pencil and an eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. So Rem, big shoulders, right? So a wide page will be helpful. And we start with this mask that kind of goes across the face, right? So it's this like bandage sort of thing going diagonal just here, right? So we're in like the top half for the head, okay? Then we got an eye, so coming down from the bandage, right? The eye goes diagonal that way. Got a bit of a tear duct, and then it goes this way up to kind of a spike here at the end. Some of this might go under hair, and then the top eyelid down that way, right? We could have like a little skin mark or something on the front here. And the iris, the tear duct, sorry, isn't drawn in the picture, but I'm a stickler, so I'll add it in. And then one of those long sort of eyes like a cat, like that, you know, more like a lizard or something. So their noses, the Shinigami in Death Note, right? So they're like these weird skeleton type noses, right? So you've got like these like diagonal lines that kind of curve like that for the nose on each side. Kind of like a pig sort of thing. No offense, Rem. And then the side of the nose goes that way. And then on this side, up here again. And it's kind of wrinkly and stuff. You know, so we've got like these wrinkles on top. And like skin lines just under the face. Sort of this kind of stuff. And you can do all these things as detailed as you want. You don't have to go as detailed as me if you prefer simpler things. So the mouth, so lips, sort of purplish lips, big, right? And I always say like lips are kind of like stretched out letter M's, right? So we go like up, down in the middle, back up the other side, and then down to there. So it's like an M, see? But it's like straight, it's like someone pulled it. All right, and then so the mouth is open for this character, so it goes up again, inside here, bumping just around like that. And then the bottom lip comes down here, just kind of curves around up to there. And again, it's open, so we've got to do like another line just on top there. And then Rem has fangs, small ones, just either side of the mouth, like so. Chin then, just down here, going that way. So from the chin, we go for the jaw, and it kind of curves out to the jaw like that. So like curves that way. So like goes, what's that, concave? Or I can't remember. But it goes in, curves that way. And then the jaw then changes direction and goes up side of the head, hits hair somewhere there, and then on that side as well. So Rem's hair looks like sort of dreadlocks, right? So we got the top of the bandage sort of just coming across there, and then we have like long sort of dread-like shapes, right? These kind of things. Kind of like sausages or something. And we just keep adding these, so just keep going down with them and back up. They all hang down. Okay, and another one here. And then this side as well. Okay, and there's a bit more bumps just on the back of the head, so like just for the top of the head here. Another one going down the back of the head like that. So that's the head basically, and we add a few more details just like bandage lines, like so. And any like pieces of bandage that you shouldn't see under the hair, you could just erase those things or color over. And then we got like cheekbones in on the face here, and like a tattoo coming down from the lip there. And then I'll spike back up and go this way. Same on this side, and it's a double line, right? So you want to be able to color it in. So it goes there, and the opposite side will go back down to there, like so. Right, so body now, right? So big shoulders and stitching on the neck and some earrings. So let's do the earrings first, right? So yeah, so we go curving hooped earrings around this way, like so. Same on this side. Okay, and the stitches on the neck, right? So they can be X's and lines. So let's see, we got like an X marks the spot sort of thing here, say. Right? And then the rest seem to be like line-like ones. Like this. I don't know if you know a character, Dabby from My Hero Academia. It's kind of like his stitching. I might put another X on this side, just to keep things balanced. Okay, and then in between all this, we got like skin line. Okay. Right, so neck and shoulders. So it's a hunched over character, right? So the neck is like up here, starts all the way up here, right? And we got all this bone type structure coming out from the shoulders, right? So going this way. Kind of wraps around here, right? And then this bone goes this way. Right, and then coming out from behind the neck, comes out to these sort of spikes up here. And then we have gaps, it seems like little sort of holes like that in the bones. And there's like a couple of these spikes on the side and a couple of these gaps. And we just keep going with this. Okay, so that's like one layer, and then there's another layer, and then arms, and then body. So we'll just keep going. Do the other side in a similar fashion. Out that way. And then our big spike going out here. And another one. Right, so that's the first layer of armor, and then there's like shoulder armor or bone here. So with like some smaller spikes there, and then on this side like that. Right, so then we got like body, which is all just like bumpy and bony as well. So say here, right, so we're just going to start doing the body coming down this way, and it's a series of curved lines, right, like this. So, and it can be kind of random, you don't have to do it exactly like mine. Okay, and you do the same on this side. So these are all like rib lines and stuff. Or maybe they're not even ribs, maybe they're just like bones, like random bones. Okay. And then we have a bone that goes like down the center, right, with these spikes coming out from the side of it. Right, like this. It's kind of like a tree sort of shape, you know, it's like this kind of thing. And again, I'm not being too careful, I'm just randomly going down and adding some spikes. And then we have some extra spike lines. So like, it looks like over here, like there's some spikes like this on the top section. Just on the top section, it looks like. Can't see them down the rest. And then we have a series of like cracks and sort of texture lines coming in. Like the rib cage, right? So like, just like this, right? Kind of look like letter Y's, see? Okay, and then arms, and the arms just are bones, pure bones connected, right? No muscle or anything, no armor. So it just comes down, these sort of shapes, right? Right, and you just do 4 of them, or 3 or 4. Let's say 3, depending on how much room you have down here. See? So I like just these like Coke cans, you know, like drinks cans, soft drink cans. And we got like a line just on the edge here. Right, and then here, same thing. Like so. And that's it. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for the request, Pluto. Anyone else have requests that I don't normally draw, head over to Patreon, sign up. You can get on the, I think it's like a request per month on the $5 one. And you don't even have to sign up forever. You could just request and cancel it. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.